Okay guys, so for tonight I have these two projects. They still don't have that big of a following, still kind of early, but I think they're very much worth looking into. This is NFTrex. Let's go. Okay, so number one project for tonight is KikiVerse. Welcome to the KikiVerse, this inclusive and diverse world of cute kikis and audio visual journey. Okay, so they have 5.6k followers thus far. Yeah, so there are some kind of really prominent people, starting with Olive Clover and this Cyborg E and Victor Viking. So yes, these are pretty dogs, the lady. So of course this project is, as they said, a metaverse, and a metaverse of kind of cute avatars. So practically it's just a normal metaverse, and you can just choose and have a really cute avatar and interact with other people in it. To be honest, I'm not very much interested in this kind of thing, but my wife, when she saw it, she just went crazy. These guys seem to have found a niche for these kind of projects, and I mean, the art is unbelievable. Okay, look at this one. It is incredibly cute, I have to admit it. And the Vikings. So yes, and all of this started not long ago. There are giveaways happening on their Twitter once in a while. So if you want a whitelist, make sure to follow their Twitter. Sadly, Discord is not open yet, so there are still many things to be unraveled in regard to this project. And the next one we're going to talk about is k00ks with 2 zeros instead of O's, and just a bunch of kooky NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. Embrace the k00ks. There are 8.3k followers here, so quite a decent following, and some of the people I'm interacting with on Twitter follow this project as well. Thus far, we do not have that much information about this project. We just know that it is related with surfing and surfboards, and all of the NFTs will be related to that. There are not that many pictures or sneak peeks yet, but you can get a mint list, as they call it nowadays. Do have kind of a sneak peek. It is a guy, surfboard. So it is expected that there will be some kind of implementation of the NFTs in the real world, but we do not know yet what is gonna happen. If you're into surfing, this definitely may be your thing. They do have a website, and here are just some surfers, and this guy is a snowboarder. This looks like a snowboard to me, but there is nothing on their website yet. We just have a link to visit their Twitter. We've been there already, and over here, not much. Okay, just a bunch of kooky NFTs coming summer 2022. But yeah, not much to see over here, just a couple of links. Of course, let's talk about the founders of the project. This one, Dan, he is a freelance web designer, joined in 2009. Okay, so very long history. Look at this guy, looks really serious, very doxed, of course. And here he is talking about what is gonna happen with some of his ideas and projects. So yeah, if you're interested, definitely worth a couple of minutes there. And Trevor Humphries, yeah. So this guy is known as Trav, illustrating good vibes, co-founder and artist behind k00ks. So this guy, of course, extremely doxed as well. The last one is another web developer. He's also a co-founder of k00ks, and you can definitely check out what he has to say. Okay, so these were two projects with no Discords yet and not that big of a following. But they have a niche. I never seen before that kind of a metaverse with all the kind of cute avatars and fully audio-visual interactive, probably the VR supported. So I don't know, that one may just hit the sweet spot for many people. And the other one, it's surfers and snowboarders, and they may have found a niche in this so saturated NFT market nowadays. Let's just see what's gonna happen with those. Of course, do your own research, and may the odds be in your favor.